So today's video is going to be a Walmart clothing haul for you guys. I'm in my room today. So let's get started. I will show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. From the Walmart store, excuse my hair. I did get a few, most of them are clothing and the rest of them are other items. I'm going to show you the other items first really quick so I can get that one done and over with. I got these two plates. Look at this, they're like a bowl and they are unicorn and they're by Your Zone and they were 98 cents. I got one for each of my daughters. They also had, I think they had a bear, a lion, and an owl. The owl was turquoise, the bear was navy blue, the lion was gray, and then the pink unicorn. So there's that. I also got these, oh, I didn't put the coupon. Well, that's a bummer. I got the buy two save coupon. I forgot to scan the coupon of the Coppertone, what do you call these? The Coppertone sunscreen spray. I got a brain fart right there. Then I got these little water shoes for Layla. They were for the Wonder Nation. They're size 6. They were $5.98. Can you see that? $5.98. I wanted ones for Luna too, but they didn't have her size. Apparently the size 10, 12 or 11, 12 is like gone on any of the shoes. And I also got these for my husband. We're gonna go to a water park. That's why I got these. And I have these. They were $9.98, and they are by the Athlete Works. But the Athlete Works, they had other colors. They had this one, they had the gray, they had an orangey one. So I got those. Then I also got these ones for me. And these ones are on the turquoise. They also had the black and the pink ones. These are also by the Athletes. These are a size 7, 8. The smallest one I had, 5, 6. And there's that. They're nice and flexible and durable. I also got this quick grip glue. This is the permanent adhesive. The bonds repairs wood, glass, leather, metal, plastic, ceramics, and more. I got that one. It was $3.98. Then I got these, the Wonder Nation, $5.98. Luna wanted these sandals, and these were the only ones that they had there on her size. And I went to the nice, it has unicorns and it has a little expandable thing. I went to the nice Walmart on another neighbor city. So you can say if that one didn't have them, then the other one probably didn't have it either. Then I got these plates. Look at that. They're by the Pioneer Woman, and then they're the plastic, the heavy plastic ones. Plates. They had it on a turquoise, like splatters, like cement, and a turquoise, and they had it on the gray one. And they had these, and I like these a little bit better. They look like her ceramic ones. So I got these ones, which are the plastic ones. I got 6 of them. They were $2.98 each, so not bad. Okay, I think that's all the item things that I got. So now I'm going to show you all the clothing. I'll start with my husband clothing. I got these Russell 944 shorts. Some of these are I got them for a present, like part of his present for Father's Day. The lighting is horrible. I can lose my nose. I got that one. They had other kind of shorts, but they were like super thin and they were $14. Like, why? You know what? Like, why? Then I got him this water shorts. What do they call them? They are by the George brand. They were $14.98. And then quick dry UPF 15 plus. They stretch and they're tag-free comfort. These are the water shorts, so they do have that underwear thing in there. My husband doesn't like that underwear. I got these. They were on the extra large. I like the colors. They were $14.98. Did I say that? 14.44. 14.44. There is that. 14.44. Then I think that's it. I had a shirt for him. Oh, here it is. This is the short, but this is part of the Father's Day one. Look at this. This one says, Dad, the toughest job you'll ever love. And I get that. It's like the army kind of thing. I got them in an extra large because the large seem kind of small. They do either way kind of shrink when you wash them. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some clothes that I got for my daughters. Layla barely had a birthday, so she has a lot of clothing, and also clothing from like passed on from Luna, and Luna is the one that doesn't have as much clothing. So I got most of the things are for her. I got this little dress. It has pockets. These are on the size 5. She's gonna turn 6, but it's like a short little dress, size 5, and this was $4.96. They're for the Wonder Nation. So this is the Walmart brand. I also got her. They had Justice brand things there for $7, and look at this, Justice. I got it on the size 7, and they were. That's the price. $7. Justice. I don't know if it would be the same price at the Justice store or not, but yeah, I got her this skirt. She loves skirts, and it has the built-in shorts, which is really nice to have. I got her this skirt, and then I got her the one in blue. Now this one I got her in a size 6 because they didn't have a size 7, so I got this one. And then I also got her this camel gray one. They're all $7, and they're all the Justice brand. I also, is that it for her? I had a shirt, a pack that had 2 shirts that had LOL dolls, and for some reason they didn't want to sell it to me. I kept saying that invalid thing. It was recalled, and then they put it back. It had a little color, brown color little LOL doll, and another one, the other one was the LOL with the mermaid, and they didn't want to sell it to me, so they just returned it. And they also had packs like that with the Rugrats, and packs like that with the Poppy from Trolls. So I don't know why they couldn't sell those. Then I got her these shorts. These are packs of 2. They are $4.98. This is size. This is the Wonder Nation. So this is the Walmart brand, Wonder Nation, size 6. Got these little shorts, the black and this one. They had other ones, but that's the ones I liked the most for her. Then I got this one for Layla. These are in the size 4. She is 3. I couldn't find it, and I was going to get it a size 2. And thankfully I went around and I find the last one, size 4, and it's for $4.96, and it's beautiful, beautiful colors, and it's a little dress, and it has pockets. Oh my gosh, I wish they had this like for me. And I think that's all for the kids. Thanks. Oh, and then this one for Luna as well. These are the swim athletic works as well. They're like swim shorts. I got it for her bathing suit that we're going to the water park thing. This is that one. And these are the little shorts that do include the little underwear like daddy's. And there's that one. And this one was $5.97. $5.97. Okay, now it's my items. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you. I got this shirt. Disney is on the large. $7.96. I like my shirts to be a little bit loose like these, so I can be comfortable and not so tied up and like a tamale. I have a belly, so I don't want to do that. So I stitched with sunglasses and the tie-dye. You can see I like tie-dye. Nice. So I got that one. Then that's on the large. Then I also got this one, you know, the Cruella Cruella de Vil movie barely came out, and this is like in a peachy color. Hopefully you could see. It's like a little peachy color, and this is also in the size large, and these were on the teen section, so that's why I am no longer a teen, but I got a bigger size. They got nice clothes. And now the Cruella de Vil, it's like fuzzy. Although these little parts are like fuzzy, like, what do you call these little, like, I don't know. It's fuzzy. It's nice and cute. Okay, that one. And then I got this dress. Now, if things don't fit, I'm going to return them. I don't keep them. This dress, look at that. I got it on the size small because size small is 4'6", and I'm around that size, 4'6". But if it doesn't fit, I will return it. This is how it looks from the front. I like this kind of neck cut that goes like this to the top. I think it's flattering for me, but I don't know. And on the back, it has like this whole thing. Look, you see? And the little thing. This one is by Time and True. It was $13.88. $13.88. Hopefully you could see. I'm right at the window. So yeah, $13.88, and I have that turquoise bluish that I love color, like these kind. And then these are shorts that I got for myself. I got these shorts. They're on the size medium, 7'9", and they are $5.98. And now this one is by No Boundaries brand. I got this one for my bathing suit for the Saturday. It has like butterflies. Can you see? It's not so visible, and it also has the pockets. Oh, it doesn't have the pockets. I thought it had a pocket. It's the on the side is like that black line. It has butterflies. Can you see? There's butterflies and splatter like cheetah. Then I also got these. These ones are the ones that have the pockets. This is also $5.98 by No Boundaries, and this one has the side pockets for like your phone. And these are like the legging kind of feel and brand. $5.98. I told you that one. And then there's this one on the same kind of thing. It has the pockets, and it's kind of like cheetah, and then the cheetah thing, it's glossy. I don't know why it had these. It says items 2, so like it has 2 of them. They barely do it on Tuesday. And this one was also $5.98. I did get this one also in the medium. Okay, yep, that is all. Then these items were on the clearance section. Now some of them I got to gift, and only one is like 2 items are for me. I'll show you. They had these. Oh look, there's one more item here. Dirty one. These ones are all the same. They were on the ladies section. They are these sweaters. They were only $3. They're by Positivities. Yeah, by Positivities. Look at that. This one says love, and it's on the large. This one says it's a size medium, and it has the little rainbow. It says dream big, and it's on the medium. I got this one for me, the medium. Where's the little tag so I can show you? Oh, look at this. See? This is the tag, the original tag. It used to be $12.88, and I got it for $3. So there's that one. And then there's this one. It says grateful, thankful, blessed. And that's the size large, and I can show you. Look, it has the tag and the 12, and now it's 3. And then there's one of the other one, but this one is in size. Oh, they're both medium. Oh my gosh, yes, they're both medium. I got one for me, and I got one for someone else. Size medium. They also had another black one, and it had like white and rainbow glitters, but I said it's great to be a grandma or something about grandma, so I didn't get that one. They only had that one in an extra large, so I didn't get that one. Then on the same section, they had these pants. They had a few of them blue. Most of them were beige going into the white, and another one turquoise, not turquoise, orange, like mustard orange, yellowish, kind of like the Carhartt pants for men. And then these were, oh, here it is. These were by the Time and True as well, and they were $5. Look, I got it for $5, and they used to be $18.98. And I got it for $5. There's the size 6. It has this front part with the buttons and the high pockets. And then the back looks like this. It's like the long high-waisted things. And on the bottom, it has these little buttons that here, where's the thing? It shows you how you could wear it. Look, you can put the button here so it makes the leg a little slimmer. It says two ways to wear. So you can have it open like this, how it is right now, or you can clip it and then make it a little shorter. And I got this like blue side. So I'm gonna check if this one, definitely if this one fits. The $3 ones I could also gift somewhere else if I don't have it. And then this ones. And if those don't fit, then I'm definitely gonna return. The shirts I could also gift for someone else. But yeah. That is all that I got for today's Walmart clothing and extra video haul video. Yep, if you haven't seen these items for the $3 and the $5, you gotta run. I actually went for the Champion shorts that were for $3, I believe, or $5. There used to be more, but they didn't have them in my store, and they have them online, but they were gonna be shipped really late when I needed, so I didn't get them. Anywho, but yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today for the Walmart clothing haul. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below what was your favorite item, if you're gonna run to your local Walmart right now, and if so, I am posting this very soon. I did went and shop. Today is Wednesday, so the video will come out Thursday, so you have not that long to do it. I could always post it on Wednesday if I get to it. But yeah, that is all for you guys today. Comment down below what was your favorite item. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.